In this video, I'll show you how to turn your regular selfies, such as this one, or this one, into professional AI headshots, such as this one, or this one. And not just that, but I will also show you how you can customize your photos. So for example, if you're wearing a necklace in one of your photos and you don't like it, you can just easily get rid of it. And then I will also show you how you can wear any piece of clothing in one of these AI headshots by just dragging and dropping an image into the view. And the tool that we'll be using in this video is called betterpic.io. And this is simply the best AI headshot generator that I have ever tested. And I have actually listed it as the #1 pick in my official list, where I have tested over 30 of these tools. You will find a link to this page in the description if you want to compare the headshots. You will also find a link directly to this betterpic.io page. And last but not least, you will also have a discount code into this tool as well. But now let me show you how to use it. So all you need to do is just click get your headshots now, then sign up. Then you just fill in your order details. So your name, ethnicity, use case, your gender, eye color. Then you go to the next page where you can choose a bunch of styles. So these are literally the styles that you're going to have in your headshot. So for example, you can do studio photo shoots and a formal attire, for instance. And then you can choose navy blue as the clothing color. And then you can save the style and you can pick up to 3 of these. And then once you're ready with those, you will need to upload a bunch of images of yourself into this view. And obviously these don't need to be professional headshots. These are just some random selfies on your camera roll. Just make sure that you don't do these don'ts over here. So don't be making silly faces and stuff like that. Just traditional good old selfies that are well lit, where you're not with anybody else. Those are good enough. Once you have uploaded your images, the AI will start to create your photos, and after about an hour or two, it will return to you with an email that lets you know that these headshots are ready. I have shown these headshots a couple of times on my channel already, so I'm going to keep it short here. But these are the AI generated headshots that basically look exactly like you. So just in a comparison, here is a real photo of myself. This is one of the selfies that I sent to the AI for it to create these headshots, and these are the results. So as you can see, we're pretty close over here. So if I click one of these and if I compare it with this one, it's a very close headshot. It looks pretty much exactly like I do. At least to me, these look absolutely amazing. And when I sent these to my mates and my family, they wouldn't believe that these are AI generated. They always think that these are some real photos that I have taken. But yeah, that's how you create your headshots. So it's a very simple process. But now let me show you what takes this tool to the next level. And it is actually these edits over here. If you click on one of your photos, what you can do is you can click on BP AI Edit. So you don't need to settle with these photos. You can try out all these cool things with AI. And this is obviously something you don't need any technical skills or any design editing skills, whatever. You can just go here. For instance, in this image, we can choose clothing and we can pick an outfit, for instance, formal. And we can do, let's say, burgundy as the color and click generate photos. And it will then create photos with me wearing a formal burgundy color suit. Then you can change the background. You can try on clothes. I will actually show you a couple of these features in more detail, but you can do magic fix. So if there's something unnecessary in the photo, if you have wrinkles or pimples, you can get rid of those. You can just brush over this photo and then choose, basically with this you can choose the area what you want to edit, and the AI will take care of that. I think that the standout editing features here are the human edit and then the new try on edit, and now I will dig deeper into those. So for instance, the human edit allows you to specify a body part and you can tell the team what you want to do here. So for instance, in this photo, I don't like the necklace that I'm wearing. If I take a closer look at the photo, it is otherwise pretty accurate, but the necklace is too much. So I can just literally, well, I can get rid of this brushing thing over here, but I can tell to remove the necklace. And the team will then, if I hit generate photos, the team will then take care of that. And now I will show you the before photo. So this is the original AI generated headshot. And here is the photo where they have removed the necklace. So as you can see, they did it flawlessly. And this is because it's not just AI, but they are actually using a real professional photo editor to take care of these requests. So this way you're satisfied, or you're guaranteed to get satisfied with at least one of these photos. So that's pretty cool. But then another super powerful feature is this try on feature. And let me show you it in action. Here's another photo shoot that I did with Betterpic. And just an example, here is a photo that I think looks pretty cool to me. It is one of these, I think it was this one. So I went ahead and I opened it up and I clicked on BP AI Edit and I clicked on Try On. And now what you can do here on the editor on the right hand side, you can choose either a full body shot or a top only shot. And then you can upload your photo over here. And now I will actually drag and drop an image. And let me actually also show you these photos that I took from the internet. So these are 3 shirts that I wanted to try on and basically that I wanted to wear in these headshots. So I can drag and drop it here and I can click generate photos over here, and it will then take a couple of minutes for the AI to put this piece of clothing on this photo. And to save your time, I have done that already. So here you can actually see those photos. So let me click this one. Let's make it a bit bigger. So as you can see on the bottom here, we have the 4 original AI headshots, but then here we have the one where I'm wearing this shirt. And this will give me an idea of what that shirt would look like when I'm wearing it. And also this allows me to fully customize these AI headshots. Of course, the posture here is a bit off. I look a bit tense in this image, if I'm honest, but in some of these other photos that's not a problem. So next I tried it with this one. So here's one of those photos. So this was originally, I think it was like a suit or something like that. It's a different photo that I originally had here, but now I'm wearing this shirt that I just showed you here. So this is pretty incredible. It is very accurate. It has even the orange stripe or whatever you want to call it here. Then I also had a problem with this one. So this is by no means perfect. So here is a black shirt that I wanted to try on. I took one of these photos where I'm wearing this kind of a black shirt to begin with. And I wanted to change it to wear this black t-shirt. But what ended up happening was that the AI didn't quite get it. So it actually just generated a bunch of images with a slightly different twist on it with the same attire that it originally had. So this is something you obviously need to keep in mind with these AI headshot generators, and that is the fact that these are by no means perfect. So the AI can miss its mark quite drastically. So as you can see, I tried it a couple of times. I think I did 2 or 3 attempts and none of those worked out. But these other ones, these are pretty cool. So here you can once again see that I wanted to wear this shirt. Here it is on me pretty much flawlessly. And for instance, this photo looks super cool. This one is pretty accurate. I'm not too tense. I don't look like I'm out of place too much.